Sorry about that, you guys. I've had to try my VHS review of Chances Are again. It's because I forgot to mention that my 1989 VHS of that movie is version 1 of that tape, which does have previews on it at the beginning. And also, I forgot to mention that there was version 2 of the 1989 VHS, which has absolutely no previews on it whatsoever at the beginning at all, unfortunately. Before I mentioned the 1989 demo VHS. And I also forgot to mention that there was a 1993 VHS and the 1997 VHS before mentioning the Canadian copies of this film. So that's why I had to try this again. So I do apologize for that inconvenience. But that's okay though. It happens, folks. So anyways, without further ado, let's try this again and let's make it much better this time. So here we go now, guys. Let's try this again and make it much better. Oh, sorry. The 42nd week of 1989. And yes, this copy does have previews on it at the beginning because this copy is version 1 of the 1989 VHS. So just want to give you proof on that. So yeah, that's more like it. Much better. That's what I needed to say there. Since I had to try my VHS review of Chances Are again there. For that reason, so yeah. And I know there's another copy of the 1989 VHS in which it's version 2. In which it has absolutely no previews on it whatsoever at the beginning at all, unfortunately. And then the 1989 demo VHS. And there's also a 1993 VHS. And the 1997 VHS. And the Canadian copies of them as well, too, of this movie. Which I will get them as soon as I can, which I don't have them as of yet, but even though I'm still taking a break from buying more tapes and other stuff, until further notice, until I move out first and get my own place in an apartment, right after it gets built at the property, over in Youngstown here in Florida, on Highway 20 that is. Until further notice. So I just want to give you guys proof on that. So, yeah.